How to make honey chicken. This super easy homemade honey chicken recipe is incredibly easy to follow. The tender chicken pieces are coated in a crunchy, crispy batter, then glazed with a sweet and savory honey sauce. The chicken is fried to golden perfection, creating a satisfying crispy exterior while keeping the meat juicy and tender on the inside. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup, 1 cup. Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, cornstarch, batter. Place in hot oil. Flip. Remove from heat. Serve over fried vermicelli noodles. Add honey, sesame seeds, and garnish with spring onion.